Green beans. Yeah. It is pork. Pork. Lempo. Your favorite lempo. How to pat eh.
Big cut.
You are you are going to eat for one time. Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
There's nothing wrong on the horizon, but I'm always in my own head. Yeah, I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said in all those old conversations that turned into a melody. I'll be waiting for autumn days ahead of me. Those words that put me under are never coming back again. I like my beat with some soul, I like my girl with some heart. I only love with my whole, I don't know how to give part. I don't know how we gon' finish, but I love how we done start. So let's take a night to just be who we are. So I ain't got the time or the energy, unless it's towards a goal or a memory. And to be doing things that I don't really love, only light I have is coming from the sun. But now I'm shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your love in. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
Every day I got a light one, yeah. Never not that it a tight one, yeah. No, I keep it 100 every time I come in trouble. No, we coming with the right ones, yeah. 35 can't play, get a bag on ya. Never with the games, put a tag on ya.
Let's eat Taiwan udon noodles, chicken, and prawns. Size. 有啊。It's not too long or not too short.
Yeah, can cut.
How to test a pants? Take a look. Ito yung mga trip ko ngayon. Mga palda. Ganda ko. Ito ba or itong polka dots? Ganda. Bakit hindi ko ito nagagamit yung microphone? Sayang naman yung video dito. Connected. Hello? Hello, hello. Mag-unboxing tayo. Ito yung mga pinamili namin. So, ang bibilhin talaga ng asawa ko is pants kasi sira na yung pantalon niya, nabutas na. Kung hindi pa nabutas, hindi pa siya bibili, no? Oh, dalawa pa na binili niya. Medyo mura yung nabilhan namin. Kasi dati, bumibili kami madalas sa Uniqlo or Net. Pampasok lang niya yan. Ito sa akin na bag. Kasi luma na yung tote bag ko. Ito pa yung binigay sa akin ng classmate ko dati. Yung friend ko na Vietnamese. Lagi ko itong ginagamit. Maganda siya, may zipper. And then, t-shirt. Pampasok niya to. Hindi mainit sa katawan. Sleeveless. Pero pambahay lang siya. Very cute siya. Wow, orange. Mahilig ko na siya sa orange. Grabe naman ang orange na to. Ganito lang yung mga tipo niyang tela. Yung mga... Ayaw niya ng cotton. Yung mga ganito lang. Yung mga pang sport na tela. You like this color? So bright. So good. I can see you anywhere. When you're far, I can see you. Oh, honey. Ito yung mga pinamili kong kulay. Okra. Spinach. Hindi ko sure kung spinach ang tawag talaga dito. Pero kind of green beans. Sobrang mahal ng green beans dito. 100 na to. Squash. My favorite luya. Ginagawa ko siyang tea every morning. Ito yung favorite ng asawa ko. At sitaw na napakalaki. Ang tataba niya. And then sibuyas. Clams. Gagawin ko tong soup. Pumunta nga pala ako sa Philippine store dahil, di ba, umuwi ako ng Pinas. So, nalimutan ko na bumili ng mga Philippine products. Hot cake mix. My husband favorite na peanut butter. I will try this one. Hindi ko pa na-try yung flavor na to. Century tuna flakes in sunflower. What number?
What do you want?